Hey guys, Chris Negley with Elegant Estates here, doing another paver restoration on this walkway. So hang tight and I'll show you what we got. Alright, so we've installed this paver walkway. It was a Holland stone paver walkway quite a few years ago. And it's got moss and some black algae growth on there. And you know, the polymeric sand's starting to break down a little bit. So we'll actually go ahead and evacuate the joints right here, all the way up and along and down. There's multiple landings down through there. So we'll go ahead and get that evacuated out. And while we're cleaning and evacuating these joints, we'll actually be cleaning the surface of the pavers. Once those are clean, we'll come up and do some repair work right here. We'll have to lift this step with an excavator and then repair these, each one of these steps here. And there's a tree root coming through here, so we'll see if we can get that back down level. And then just a couple of minor adjustments right here. But overall, it's held up really well for the amount of time that's been in. So you can see how dirty that is with the black algae. So we'll go ahead and get to cleaning, and then we'll do an update after we're done with the cleaning. So you can see how dirty this is over here. This is just a couple of passes with our cleaner. So this will clean up really, really nice. Same with the steps here. All right, so we're getting close to finishing up on this. You can see exactly how dirty that was, that walkway. That's all that black algae. So that Eco Shield, the Eco Wash that we do after these are done, will help to prevent that kind of buildup. So once we do the labor to get it to here, you want to have that preventative maintenance done so it doesn't go back to that. So we'll go ahead and finish up the cleaning on this guy, do a little touch up around the edges. We got to get these steps here. You can see this is actually where it's clean. The rest has to be done by hand. Clean stoop. We'll touch up along these edges. And then we'll come back, do our repair work. And then once it's dry, we'll re-sand. Alright, so we're all cleaned up here. We hit this wall. Had a lot of moss on it. And we also did a post treat on that. We hit this small wall over here. Did a post treat on that. And we did a thorough rinse on this walk. And did a post treat on that. That way, while it's drying, it'll still be killing off any organics that are left, which wouldn't be much. So when we come back to do the repair, this will be super clean. And we'll do the sand, and then we'll do the eco wash on there too, potentially. And that'll help any of these way down there where we couldn't get, or any of these real dark spots that'll get. Alright, so we're all cleaned up here and did all the repair. Brought the excavator in and reset this stone here. These are all reset. There's a big root going through there. Ants over here. So those are reset. So the homeowner is going to grab some insecticide and kill those off before we sand it. This was dealt with. There's a large root down in our base, so we were able to level that off. And then again, more ants down here. And more ants in this spot here, so. Again, walls all clean. Both of those, so we're done for today. Cleaning and wall work. And repair. So we'll let those dry up. When we come back in next time, we'll let the insecticide work for a day or so. He's gonna put it on tomorrow, and we'll come back in the next day. Looks like it's gonna be dry. We'll go ahead, brush all that off, clean out those joints again, and fill them with poly sand and activate it. And it'll be just like new.